here we do know that Vikas Dubey very seemingly surrendered himself, as much as the UP police as well as the Madhya Pradesh police time and again harping on the fact that they've managed to arrest this man here. We have, of course, Anila joining us, spokesperson of the BJP. Ms. Anila, if you can take us through the sequence of events, very seemingly appears that Vikas Dubey there surrendered himself. That's when the Madhya Pradesh police came by, arrested him and then taken into custody. He shouted his name, tried to draw attention, but it seems like here the government, respective governments here, Madhya Pradesh and the UP government, have been very silent on the fact that this man surrendered after 6 days of a manhunt that fell flat by the police.
See, I know one thing, that Vikas Dubey is arrested. He is in custody. Now the speculation done that whether he surrendered or Madhya Pradesh police arrested him, I think it is it is not a very good exercise to do. The exercise which was done by the police in coordination with Madhya Pradesh police, that has been very fruitful, and this person is behind the bar. So this Samajwadi Party leader, because he himself, supported Samajwadi Party. His wife was from Samajwadi Party. They kept ex-cabinet minister, Mr. Shiv Kumar Bedia. Even he has said yes. Like, he was the member of Samajwadi Party and totally supported Samajwadi Party. So Samajwadi Party is going to spread this thing that he was not arrested and he surrendered. How does it matter?
But what do you believe, Ms. Anila? Did he surrender? Was he arrested by the police? Did the police nab him, or did he surrender? What is the BJP stance there as respective governments in the Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh?
It is a very lame exercise to discuss that whether he surrendered or whether he got arrested.
It's also a very important piece of information.
Let me complete, please. Let me complete. Even if he surrendered, so this is because of the police forces, whether we talk about Haryana, Madhya Pradesh or police of Uttar Pradesh, because of them, like, he got so scared, he knew it very well that there is no way to escape. I do not want to politicize the matter, but when the political parties like Samajwadi Party, who was supporting this person and his family, especially his wife, so very well, he was the one who had said that yes, I love BSP, I love Samajwadi Party, and I am in total support of these two political parties. They are going to sing this song.
Right, Juhi, who's the SP spokesperson here? Juhi, what...
पुलिस वालों की जिन लोगों ने पकड़ लिया है, 8 पुलिस वाले जो वीर गति को प्राप्त हुए हैं, उनकी आत्मा को कुछ शांति मिली होगी, but no, they are not going to say anything on that.
No, but Ms. Anila, what we're asking here is a clear question. Did this man surrender or was he arrested? This is a statement that the government has to give, because it's an important piece of information. It can't be just diluted and let go in the air. Juhi Singh, who's the SP spokesperson, Juhi, this man has been a great supporter of the SP party. Great supporter of the SP. Juhi Singh, here's the allegation from the BJP spokesperson saying Vikas Dubey here has been a great supporter of the SP.
Brazen shamelessness on the part of the BJP. We've heard of videos where he has taken name of two of the present representatives. There are pictures everywhere. So, I mean, if she finds it irrelevant to say whether it is a surrender or an arrest, when he is also put in a darshan slip, Vikas Dubey has cut out a darshan slip, went to darshan. Sources also say that Madhya Pradesh in the evening, the district magistrate visited the temple also. So, is this surrendered also masterminded by the BJP is a question they will have to answer, and of course it is relevant and you will have to give an official statement. There is no coordination. There was no coordination between the MP and the UP police, ma'am. Please get your facts clear. And we are actually not bothered about these accusations and the pictures and the fake slips you get out as to who's supporting whom. There are 8 policemen who died, who were murdered brutally on your watch. You are responsible. At the time, there was a nexus in Kanpur which was flowering and flourishing under the leadership of your chief minister, and even the man who apparently got the letter disappeared, you also removed him from his post. He was in charge of the investigation.
Right, but Ms. Juhi, is it true that Vikas Dubey's family members were part of the SP party?
No, they were never a part of the SP party. We do not give membership for a lifetime. There is a magazine which apparently a fake slip has been circulated that she had taken membership for that magazine to read, and the other slips are completely fake. She was not a member of the Samajwadi Party. She is not a member of the Samajwadi Party. And if any public representatives whose names are being thrown here and there, then Mr. Anila Singh can please investigate them also, because this is the official statement of the Samajwadi Party, and we are, frankly, we are not going to get distracted from the issue that 8 policemen were brutally murdered in your watch. The man stayed for 2 days in UP. You did not want to trace him. You let him elope. You sent him to Madhya Pradesh, and the Madhya Pradesh police conveniently said that Vikas Dubey shouted, and then he surrendered, and we very peacefully took him into custody.
Well, the police has not said that Vikas Dubey has surrendered. The fact of the matter here is the police department as well as the government have maintained that they have arrested him. The man was identified by security personnel at the temple. Right then, police arrived, arrested him when the security personnel informed the police. That's the statement that we've got so far and the sense of what's happening there on ground. But Ms. Anila, here we're looking at Madhya Pradesh police there who were quick to reach the spot. A camera person also was there right at that time trying to capture the visual of this man coming out of the temple and shouting his name out loud. Do you feel that the police have been efficient in at least, if not for actually catching him right at that or tracking his route all along and finally nabbing him, but at least for the fact that they were alert the moment this man got out of the temple, they were quick to nab him?
Absolutely. Police of Uttar Pradesh, police of Madhya Pradesh, police of Haryana, police of Rajasthan, like all police forces adjoining Uttar Pradesh, they were on high alert, and that is why I am praising the efforts of police. But the sad part is that Samajwadi party of corrupts, criminals and liars, now very brazenly they are saying that no, she was not a member of Samajwadi party. Just see the picture of Guddal Trivedi. He was one of the right-hand man of Vikas Dubey. He is sitting with Akhilesh Yadav. And should I show you the picture of Shiv Kumar Beria? Should I show you the picture of Satish Nigar? These are your leaders, ministers. He had such deep-rooted relationship with Samajwadi Party. That is why in today's day, Mrs. Joy Singh is sitting on your panel and praising
one after the other.
And crying. That how he was arrested. In our tenure, 2017, since 2017, twice he was arrested. Twice he was arrested. And this Black Knight also, police was going to arrest him. But
right, Ms. Anila,
they gave leave, and 8 police people were sacrificed.
Right, Ms. Anila, if you can answer, Ms. Anila, the fact of the matter here also remains that several of the insiders, many police department insiders were accused of tipping this man off, helping him escape time and again, giving a slip to police departments across the 3 states. So a big in fact, a big allegation on the police department of the UP itself of how many of them may have helped him get away time and again.
See, you are absolutely correct. Just because of few moles in police force, you cannot say that whole of the police force was working in an organized crime. Whole of the police force is a cartel. You can't say that. Yes, indeed, because of a mole, this person got the leak and police team was attacked. But we must understand this thing that 8 police personnel, they gave their lives when they were going to do their duty. So I and my party strongly stands with the police force of Uttar Pradesh and of this country, and because of the fistful of people who do not have loyalty towards their country, we cannot say that police in our country or in Uttar Pradesh specifically doesn't work. Yes, it indeed, like in yesteryears when Samajwadi Party or BSP, when they were in power, they politicized the police. They got such people transferred and posted in thanas and the chowkis where they could work according to the instructions given by the party Samajwadi Party leaders.
properly,
Right,
you want
Miss
public support,
Juhi,
but that's all you-
here we were looking at the fact that UP, the state of lawlessness that prevailed, at least those were the allegations. This man at least has finally been arrested. Vikas Dubey has been arrested in Madhya Pradesh. Whatever said and done, whether he turned himself in or the police managed to find him, the fact that he's been arrested itself says a lot. Ms. Juhi, here we're looking at the police department yet to make a statement on this man, and of course yet to identify those bad apples within the police department on who may have tipped him off. But that apart, the governments, respective governments have to come out to make it clear whether this man has been arrested. Was he arrested by the police department, or was he in fact did he surrender by himself? That statement hasn't come by as yet. But according to you, where has the police department lacked in this entire operation here?
See, the police department, and there were people in the police department who were aiding and abetting this man, and for 3.5 years, the BJP is in power. They can be brazen, they can be shameless out here, they can call other party names, but it is your responsibility. What do you mean by standing by the policemen? It is your government, it is your responsibility for the security. 8 people were brutally murdered. This man could not even walk. He had 2 rods in his legs. He took a bicycle, he had in your own state, then he went to Haryana, then he had a tourist venture in Madhya Pradesh, where also things are under question. Did you aid and did you get together with the Madhya Pradesh government and help him in surrender? When you look at the first time a case was registered against this person, it was also against in the BJP government, and a similar outcome came. This man surrenders on his own terms and conditions. It's really very, very convenient to talk globally about other political parties, but ma'am, sadly, it is your responsibility and you have failed it. Yes, he has been arrested. Today he is behind the bars. How do you ensure that the justice will prevail, and justice will prevail in favor of the 8 policemen who were killed and murdered, and you did not even move or you just transferred the person who has actually made a letter written by Devendra Mishra disappear. The man who was murdered, he has been transferred. It's so cool. From STF, he's been sent to Muradabad. You suspended 4 of your policemen, and the only other action you have taken is you have done line hajir of a particular thana. The rest, you can talk about whatever you want. You can put about any sort of membership slips, any sort of picture gallery. Please prove it that he was being aided and abetted by the Samajwadi Party or helped by the Samajwadi Party, and your government was such a failure that they did not even know what was happening. How could you not arrest him earlier? I mean, today you can Shivraj Singh Chauhan is claiming that he is arrested and there is no coordination, ma'am. No police force was working together. So please have a look at your top police force, because they are going to bring him into justice as far as I can
Ms. Anila, also the question remains that Vikas Dubey went all the way to Madhya Pradesh and very seamlessly passed borders there. It appears that he didn't want to face an encounter, just like how his close aides were killed in an encounter there in UP. He didn't want to face a similar situation. He went all the way to Madhya Pradesh and then managed to surrender himself. That's what it appears. He was fearing the UP police.
See, many things are going to be revealed, and that is the main reason why Samajwadi Party leadership is so rattled in today's date. Whatever Mrs. Juhi Singh says here, Mrs. Juhi Singh says the fact remains.
Ms. Juhi
that
Singh,
the
allow
party
Anila to
officers
speak.
and
You had your turn.
They are rattled because they know that now he is going to sing the song. He is going to tell that who all were behind his power and strength. We know it very well, Mrs. Juhi Singh, that you are not going to say 2 words of praise. You are not going to say 2 words of praise in police force. I'm pretty sure about it. Not a word has been said either by you or by you.
Ms. Anila, one after the other, but I'm going to put you on hold.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.